Hello, this is Mr. Tech Talk. Microsoft has raised its minimum storage requirement to 32 gigabytes for 32 and 64-bit for the 1903 version. Yes, it is really hard to find a gadget that has less than 32 gigabytes of storage running Windows 10, but they are out there. I have a Windows 10 tablet that has a 32 gigabyte eMMC hard drive, so I will not be able to update that tablet. But I guess it is understandable. They keep on adding new features. It has got to get heavier, right? This was Mr. Tech Talk. Until next time.